What is up, everybody, and welcome back to Life with Labradors. If you watched our live video, we just got done doing a live video here of these 4-day-old beautiful Labrador puppies. But if you haven't, then today's episode is going to be especially for you. These are some of the cutest little puppies ever. We just got done filming a live video. We just let their mama take a nice little break outside, so she's having a good time, and well, we get some alone time with these beautiful 5 boy Labradors and 3 girl Labradors. What are you doing in this corner all by your little lonesome? Come on, you gotta stay warm. You should know the rules. There you go. Who's this, huh? Who is this? Being cuter than ever way back here. Come on. This is one of our beautiful little females. Come on, babies. Hi. Hi. Here you go. Gotta cuddle with your brothers and sisters. They are so stinking cute. Hi. Hi, little monsters. Oh, look how cute he is. Oh man, look at him. Hi. So this is the boy, and this is his sister. We have the red collar and the pink collar. They look so identical though. Hi. What's up, little polar bear? This guy is so beautiful. Probably one of my favorite ones. Don't tell the others. But he's just got this very beautiful bright color about him. I love it. So cute. So cute. Alright, but I'll put you down. Oh, what is your sister doing? How are you getting over here so quickly? You're only 4 days old. Oh my goodness, their little army crawls are quite effective. Come on, babies. Back to the cuddly pile. The fun part. Spaceship. Oh, after you're young. There you go. They are so precious. Let's see if that will focus in there. Uh-oh. Did you do a tumble? Did it feel good? Little butt scratches? Look at that. He literally looks like a little polar bear. Oh my gosh. You are so cute. You're squishing your brother's face. Oh. There's no rules in the life of a puppy. Just sleep, eat, poop, drink, eat, sleep, and poop some more. You guys are so cute. Thank you so much for hanging out. Big yawn. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I'll go get your mamas. We can get some more milks. Everyone, thanks so much for watching today's video. It was a ton of fun. If you've already seen our live video, these guys, thanks so much for checking in. I absolutely love to answer you guys' questions, hang out, and just do something different for you fans. In the meantime, these are our 4-day-old beautiful labs. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of the delivering and their birth. It was so incredible. It was absolutely incredible. But in the meantime, we're going to be getting out of here. It's time for us to go. Time to say paws out, little buddies.